20 profitable small business ideas for beginners in 2025. Profitable small business ideas for beginners in 2025. Are you looking for a profitable small business idea in 2025? Whether you want to start a side hustle or build a full-time business, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll explore 20 profitable small business ideas perfect for beginners. Stay tuned till the end to find the best idea for you. 1. Print-on-demand store. If you're creative, you can sell custom t-shirts, hoodies, mugs, and phone cases without handling inventory. Platforms like Printify and Printful make it super easy. 2. Social media management. With businesses relying on social media, managing accounts for small companies can be a great way to earn money. If you know how to create engaging content and schedule posts, this is a fantastic opportunity. 3. AI-powered resume writing service. AI-powered resume writing is in high demand. Many job seekers struggle to write effective resumes. You can use AI tools to help them craft professional resumes and charge for the service. 4. YouTube automation channel. You don't need to be on camera to start a YouTube channel. With AI-generated voiceovers, stock footage, and script writing tools, you can create faceless YouTube videos and earn from ad revenue and sponsorships. 5. Home cleaning services. Busy people need help keeping their homes clean. Starting a home cleaning service requires minimal investment and can be very profitable, especially if you offer premium services. 6. Local delivery service. With online shopping booming, local businesses need affordable delivery services. You can start a small delivery business by offering same-day delivery for local stores. 7. Virtual assistant services. Many entrepreneurs and businesses need virtual assistants to handle emails, scheduling, and data entry. If you're organized and tech-savvy, this can be a great online business. 8. Handmade crafts and Etsy shop. If you enjoy creating handmade crafts like candles, jewelry, or custom gifts, selling on Etsy can turn your hobby into a business. 90 Minutes AI Chatbot Development. AI chatbots are helping businesses automate customer service. If you have basic coding skills, you can develop chatbots for small businesses and charge a setup fee. 10. Blogging and affiliate marketing. Starting a blog on a niche topic and monetizing it with affiliate marketing can generate passive income. Choose a topic you're passionate about, write helpful content, and recommend products to earn commissions. 11. Pet grooming and walking services. Pet owners love their furry friends. Offering pet grooming or dog walking services can be a fun and profitable business, especially in pet-friendly cities. 12. Subscription box service. From snacks to skincare, subscription boxes are trending. If you can curate unique products, you can create a subscription box business that delivers surprises to customers every month. 13. Digital marketing agency. Businesses need help with online marketing, from SEO to paid ads. If you have digital marketing skills, you can offer services to small businesses and scale up. 14. Dropshipping. Business dropshipping lets you sell products online without handling inventory. Partner with suppliers who ship products directly to customers while you focus on marketing. 15. AI content creation service. AI tools can now generate blog posts, video scripts, and product descriptions. If you know how to use AI for content creation, you can sell your services to businesses. 16. Online coaching and consulting. Are you skilled in a specific area like fitness, business, or personal development? Online coaching or consulting can be a high-income business with minimal costs. 17. Local tour guide business. If you live in a tourist-friendly area, you can start a local tour guide business and offer unique experiences to visitors. 18. AI-powered graphic design. With AI design tools, creating logos, social media graphics, and business cards is easier than ever. You can offer these services to businesses and earn money. 19. Rental business. Equipment, cars, or party supplies. Renting out equipment like cameras, tools, or even party supplies can be a great business with a one-time investment and recurring income. 20. AI-powered e-commerce store. AI can now help you create automated e-commerce stores. With tools that handle product listings, pricing, and even customer support. This business model is growing fast in 2025. There you have it. 20 profitable small business ideas for beginners in 2025. Which one caught your attention? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Business Ideas.